Hello, thank you for visiting our law firm. My name is Selçuk Akkaş. I am an attorney at law in Istanbul and I have been practicing law since 1992. I have studied law in Houston, Texas, and I have been practicing law after that. Technically, I'd like to talk about Turkish citizenship with investment today in this video. We have many clients from around the world for citizenship with investment, especially from Middle Eastern countries, plus China, Hong Kong, Macao, Vanuatu, North Africa, including Egypt, Morocco, Libya, Tunisia. We have clients from US as well. So let me tell you what it is and what it's required. It's quite simple actually. There are major two ways that many people are approaching. One is purchasing a property worth $250,000. This property, you can buy several properties, one property, two, three, doesn't matter. You can mix and match. You can buy a home, you can buy an office or a land. So it doesn't matter as long as they worth more than $250,000, then you are eligible. The other option mainly used is a bank deposit at a Turkish bank for $500,000 value. You can keep in any currency, in Turkish lira, US dollar, euro, British pound, whichever you like. And this account can get interest. It depends on the bank and the currency. There are good annual yields that you cannot get some other countries. Plus, we have another option. It is called Euro bonds. You can set up bank account for $500,000 and get a Euro bonds. And I know nowadays Euro bonds annual rates, yielding rates is around 6-7%, which is very good and it's almost impossible to find around the world. Technically, Turkish citizenship is free. You are not paying for citizenship. You are not donating money like in those countries in Caribbean, like St. Kitts and Nevis or Dominica. So you are not giving away $120,000 or $150,000. Here, you are simply buying a property. Either you can live in it or you can rent it, or deposit $500,000 to get interest. So basically, at the end of 3 years, you will make money and your passports will be free and you will keep it for forever. You, your wife, and your kids less than 18. They are all eligible. So how we start, what we do, as a lawyer, we represent our clients without them coming to Turkey. And it's a good part. There is no need you to come to Turkey. This is actually awesome and almost impossible in other countries. So we have represented several clients. Many clients, they didn't even come to Turkey once. We get the POAs from while they are in home country. We arranged appointments at Turkish embassy or local notaries. Everything was very easy. They got the POAs handed to us and we opened the bank accounts for them and they transfer monies and we follow up the paperwork. And we also have property buying services for our clients if they like to get it through the property. It is $250,000. We arrange the title deed transfer process. We arrange appraisal report because there must be an appraisal report which is obtained by CPK licensed companies before the process. So this is all securing your rights that you are buying the good property, you're paying the right price, you are not getting ripped off. So technically this is benefit for you. Let's say what is done after buying the property or doing the bank deposit. After this, simply your investment is being verified by the governmental authorities. So this is done by the either real estate administration in Istanbul or bank association union, which is verifying your deposits at a Turkish bank. Once they see that you already verified the investment, you are eligible, then they issue a document, what we call it eligibility document. With this document, we as your lawyer are able to apply your resident permit. This is only for the main applicant. We apply for residency for the main applicant, and the next day we are able to apply for the whole family for the citizenship. And during this time, before filing citizenship application, you are able to change your names. You can get Turkish names. It used to be different, but Turkish Immigration Office changes criteria. Now they are asking only Turkish names are allowed to become a Turkish citizen. So if you like, we can help you how you can choose Turkish names. There are websites that you can choose ones. Once you decide a Turkish name, we can file it, or you simply keep your own names, original names, to follow the paperwork. After we file residency, in general, we get 2 or 3 weeks later, we get the residency card, and this resident card is valid for 1 year. But before it expires, we will already get the passports for you. Generally, we get passports in 3 months range. The shortest period we got in 75 days, which is 2.5 months. However, I see and I heard from our clients that there are some companies out there in the internet offering like they are able to get passports in 20 days. I've seen this ad actually. This is a lie. This is not a possible thing. This is somebody else trying to lure people to a dead end. They will take your money and run away, and you will be stuck with these guys and not able to get your passport. So I suggest you to find a good lawyer, an experienced lawyer, and continue get citizenship with their service. So in Turkey, only licensed attorneys are able to act like an attorney. There are people outside. They are offering legal services, but they are not even located in Turkey. They are located in Malta or England or some other countries and offering services in Turkey. This is impossible. You have to find a lawyer located in Turkey and licensed by Istanbul Bar. Please ask them their ID number, so you will be able to verify them. Don't get ripped off. Simply find a good lawyer for yourself without any hiccups to get this process completed. After we file the applications, around 3 months later, we get approval document. This is, we continuously check your application through the internet. So every time there are 7 stages your application goes through. So each stage we inform you, and finally, once you are approved, then we will go to immigration office to pick up the approval document. In this time, we inform our clients whether they like to get their passports in Turkey or they like to do it in their own country. This is possible. So some of our clients, they like to get it in Turkish embassy in own countries. So in this case, we email the country's embassy, Turkish embassy in that country. For instance, in China, we already done it in Dubai, in Amman, in also Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, also in Bahrain, in Hong Kong. So several embassies we connected and then set up appointments for them. So they went there. We already sent their approval documents to our clients. With this at their hand, they are able to go there, give fingerprints, apply for ID, and apply for passports. After applying overseas, it takes about 2 weeks to IDs and passports to be prepared, because they are prepared in Turkey, in motherland, and send it to the embassy. So our clients are able to go there and pick up their passports. Some of our clients actually, like these passports, our clients came to Turkey on Tuesday. We applied on Tuesday, give fingerprints at Ataşehir Nüfus İdaresi Civic Center, and the next day we received passports and IDs also here. So if you choose to apply in Turkey, it's faster. You should be able to get it in 2 or 3 days, both IDs and the passports. However, if you're not able to come, then you can do it in your own country, and it should take about 2-3 weeks maximum, so you will be able to get your passports. So all the process is very simple. We Simply ask your birth certificate, and if you are married, marriage license. If you're not married, then a document showing you are single. You must get these documents legalized and notarized in your country, and we also get them translated in Turkish and notarized here. So Turkey is really simple, really good country to live in, because we receive several emails a day asking for Turkish residency, Turkish citizenship, doing business in Turkey. Turkey is attracting several people around the world because we have great country, everything is very good, and life quality is higher, and cost of living is very, very reasonable. I have several clients, they already have those Caribbean countries citizenship, but they like to get Turkish citizenship. I have a client, he has a St. Kitts and Nevis passport, and he now has obtained a Turkish passport because Turkey is a great country, it's a big country, you can depend on this country and you can simply live in. Some of clients, they have passports, but they don't know where the countries or island is. So Turkey is great and cost nothing for you. It's simply, it's free passports, only you are doing the investment. And we are ready to help you here. If you have any questions, please contact us. You can contact us via email, via WeChat, or bottom, or email. We are here. Just give us a call or send us an email. We are here to help you. Let's make you a Turkish citizen. Thank you. Take care.